In here, and I'm here with Star, my niece.
Hi.
We're going to show you all two fun things you can do with science, with just some things you can find around the house. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to ask the question, can we erase Sharpie from a coffee filter? So can we pull the marker off the coffee filter is our question. You're going to need a few things. You're going to need vinegar, just white distilled vinegar. You will need some rubbing alcohol. You'll need 3 small cups. They don't have to be red. They can be any color. They can even be clear glasses. Okay, and we have labeled each of our cups something specific. The first one says rubbing alcohol.
The next one says water.
And the last one says vinegar. So what we've done is that we filled these up a little over half of rubbing alcohol, vinegar, and
water.
Water. Okay. Then you will also need coffee filters, the plain white coffee filters, and Sharpie markers. The first thing you'll do is that you'll take your coffee filter, lay it out flat, and you are going to take your Sharpies and you are going to draw circles on your Sharpies in the center. I use the color black, red, and blue on mine. Once you've done that, you'll take that coffee filter and fold it in half. Don't forget to crease it. Remember, Miss Thurman says take your fingernail and go straight down to crease it. Then you'll fold it in half again. Crease it so that now it looks like a cone. You're going to do that 3 times. Okay, you're going to do that 3 times, so you'll need 3 coffee filters. And once you have all 3 folded, and we already have 3 done here, what you're going to do is that you're going to take one and place it inside of the water. So you'll keep it folded and stick it down inside your water. Tip up. There you go. So that the water covers up your Sharpie. Then you'll take your next one, put it inside of the vinegar. And then finally, the last one will go inside of the rubbing alcohol. Then we're going to let those sit. We're going to place those off to the side and let those sit to see what happens with it. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think anything's going to happen? Or do you think one of these is going to help us get that Sharpie off? While we wait for the results, we have something else cool and fun that we can do. Only thing you need for this one is some vinegar, an empty water bottle with the lid, a balloon, some baking soda, and you will also need a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, it's okay. Miss Thurman doesn't have a funnel here with her. So I just took a piece of paper, tore it in half, and rolled it like a funnel and put it into the mouth of my balloon. Okay, we need that funnel because we're going to drop something inside it. We're going to put that baking soda inside. Now inside of this water bottle, I've already put vinegar inside of my water bottle, and I'm going to take the lid off. What we are going to do, guys, is that we are going to self-inflate a balloon without using our mouths. While I'm doing this, Star is actually going to be blowing up a balloon as well. Okay, so she's going to use her breath. I'm not. I have my water bottle with my vinegar. I have my funnel inside of my balloon. I'm going to take a spoon, put baking soda on the spoon, place it inside of that funnel so I can go down inside of my balloon. Now I have filled my balloon, just the bottom of my balloon, with baking soda. Okay, take that funnel out. Now make sure that if you need some help, you get some help to do this next step. I'm going to stretch the mouth of my balloon over the top of my water bottle. Make sure it's there and it's tight so that now it looks like this. Now, when I flip my balloon upward, my balloon is going to inflate by itself. While my balloon is inflating, Star will be inflating her balloon. Let's see what happens. And be careful, make sure you get it away from yourself, because as you can tell, it inflated fairly quickly. And some of it almost came out of the top, so make sure that you have it down. And we both have our balloons inflated. I can then pinch at the very top, pop it off the top of that water bottle. Be careful so it doesn't splash you.
I can't get my tie.
She's having a hard time tying her balloons. We all know the struggle of that one. Tie off my balloon, and I have an inflated balloon. If you shake it, there's nothing inside. So how does this happen? What happens is that in my balloon, can you feel mine? Mine's a little heavier than yours, isn't it?
Yes.
My balloon's a little heavier. The reason why is because I have that gas inside that was created when that chemical reaction happened with the baking soda and the vinegar. So go ahead, guys, if you can, and give that one a try. Let's go back and look at our cups. Okay, I have the rubbing alcohol one. Which one do you have,
the
Star?
vinegar one, and I also have the water.
Water. Let's look at the water one first.
Water one?
Yeah. So Star's going to gently raise it up out of the water and put it up, and we can see, oh, she still has all of her Sharpie on her paper. Nothing has happened. Okay, so we know water's not going to take off Sharpie, right?
It's not doing it.
Okay. What's your next one you have?
I have vinegar.
Vinegar. Let's see what happens with the vinegar.
All right. Let me just pull it out.
It ran a little, but not too much happened. Next up, we're going to look at the rubbing alcohol. Let's see if the rubbing alcohol did anything at all. That rubbing alcohol, actually, it is starting to fade down. The Sharpie marker is. So if we were to leave this in here a little longer, which one do you think the most ink would come off of? The rubbing alcohol, the vinegar, or the water? What do you think? I think it's going to be the rubbing alcohol.
I do too.
I think it's going to be the rubbing alcohol. Okay. I hope you all had fun. You got a chance to do some of these. Stay tuned for some more videos. Love you all and see you soon.